Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Canva video brand kit exports to Drive. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw your Canva video brand kit exports to Google Drive, start by opening your Canva account. Navigate to the video section on your Canva dashboard. Select the video project you want to work on. Once the video opens, look for the share button in the upper right corner. Click on the share button to access the sharing options. In the drop-down menu, select the download option. Choose your desired video format from the available options. Make sure to select the appropriate quality setting for your video. Click the download button to initiate the export process. You will receive a notification once your video is exported and ready for download. After the download is complete, go to your Google Drive account in a separate tab. Locate the folder where you want to save your video. Click on the New button in Google Drive to create a new folder or select an existing one. Once inside the folder, click on the New button again and select File Upload. Find the video file you just downloaded from Canva. Click on the file and select Open to begin the upload process. Wait for the upload to finish. You will see a progress bar indicating its status. Once the upload is complete, your video will be available in Google Drive. You can now access, share, or organize your video file as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.